All right, question 3 gives me a side length, and a side length, and side is law of cosines. So if you want angle B, you would look at the formula and say, okay, I'm going to take inverse cosine of, and then the formula is going to say a squared plus c squared minus b squared over 2ac. Again, you don't have to memorize that for us in our test, our class, but there's always a small chance it's on the ACT and they don't give you the formula. So plug in A, plug in C, plug in B, plug in A again, and plug in C again. Okay, and then the main thing with this one was law of cosines was great in that we didn't have to worry about an ambiguous case and 2 possibilities or no possibilities. But now you're going to be relying on your calculator, which is good. But if you don't enter this in very carefully, your calculator will do different order of operations than you expect. So remember in this big parentheses, I'm going to put parentheses around my numerator and parentheses around my denominator, which is implied. We just don't usually write it out. You would also need to make sure your calculator is in degree mode. And let's type these in. And I missed the number, so now I'm double checking that the rest is typed in right because I did it too quickly. 56.913 degrees. So more or less, that question amounts to all 3 sides, know to use law of cosines, look up the formula that will be provided for you, make sure you plug in A, B, and C where they're supposed to go, and then just know how to type in the calculator, which would be specifically making sure you get those parentheses in there so that it does the order of operations correctly.